How to appear offline on Instagram. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will know how to do and appear offline on Instagram. It is quite easy and simple. First of all, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your Android device or the iPhone device. And then don't forget to log in or sign in on your Instagram account. If you haven't any account, then make sure to create one of those. Then select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you are on the profile feed, you simply need to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. On the settings and activity page, you simply need to select messages and story replies, which is under how others can interact with you. When you open it, you can see show activity status. Open it and make sure to toggle off the button so that other won't see that you are online on Instagram. If you toggle it on in this way, then your activity status will be shown and then you will appear online. But if you want to appear offline, just toggle it off. So you won't be able to see the activity status of others account as well, and other can also not see your activity status and see that you are online, see that you have appeared offline on Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.